Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how to create a domain account in CWP. So let's start, guys. So first of all, we have to go to our domain setting where you purchased your domain. So simply you have to update the name server. So you have to update your name server. So in last video I create my own name server. So here I put my name server ns1.tech3.net and ns2.tech3.net. So I already put it down because it will take to update the name server. Sometime it will take 24 hours. So simply I copy the domain name and go to the CWP control panel. Here guys, you can click on user account and then click on new account. So here you have to enter the domain name without www like this, and here enter the username. So simply I put the username and then you have to enter the password. So in future you will simply log in your account using this username and password. So I simply put down the password. So this is my password, and here you have to choose the packages. So right now I have only default packages. In future I'll explain how to create your own packages. So right now I check default and scroll it down, and now simply click on create. You can choose the auto SSL. Check this box, it will install the auto SSL. So simply click on create. So copy the details so you can get through in future. Here all the details, your username, your password, your login link, all the details are here. So simply I copy the link, copy and paste in the browser. So I open the new tab and here paste it. So simply hit enter, and here guys, this is the control panel for our user. So simply use the username and password and click on login. Oops, maybe I entered the wrong password. So now I simply open the notepad and copy the password and paste it. So let's check it's logged in and click on login, and maybe it's work. So here guys, it's work. So now we logged in the control panel, and here you can see the MySQL, email, domains, subdomains and FTP server, and all the details are here. You can set up your own FTP account, your backup, your file manager, your domain. You can add your new domain if you want. Simply click on domain, and here guys click on add domain, and here you can set up your another domain if you want, as well as you can set up the subdomain. So this is the proper dashboard where you can install the anything you want. This is PHP myadmin, so you can easily click on PHP myadmin and it is go to the PHP myadmin where you can manage your database. MySQL manager where you can add the user account, create the database, delete it, modified it, anything you can do it from here. And now email account, you can create email account, and here DNS zone, if you want edit your DNS you can edit it. And this is the add-on where you can install the add-on like WordPress, Joomla, etc. And in setting option you can set up the session time, where you can set up the session time. So this is the CentOS Web Panel. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.